Hello and welcome back to the Programming in C++ Part 2 series. In this video, we're going to be covering Chapter 14 exercises, which deals with exception handling. So as always, please go ahead and smash the like button, make sure you leave a comment, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. When you subscribe to the channel, you support the channel, and you also get notified when new videos are posted. And also at the end, if there's anything that's not completed at 100%, and we have to go back to it, please check the comments and the description, as there will be more instructions left in there at a later date. All right, so for this video, our first exercise is going to be Programming in C++ Part 2, Programming Exercise 14-1. In this exercise, we're going to write a program that prompts the user to enter a length in feet and then enter a length in inches and outputs the equivalent length in centimeters. If the user enters a negative number or a non-digit number, throw and handle an appropriate exception and prompt the user to enter another set of numbers. Your error message should read a non-positive number is entered and allow the user to try again. Format your output with set position 2 to ensure the proper number of decimals for testing. So task 1 is just going to be throwing an exception, and task 2 is converting to its centimeters. All right, so let's go ahead and our code. Alright, so let's go ahead and start with our include statements. Copy that as always. And we'll use string and iomanip. Alright, then we're going to do our constant variables. So we got a constant called integer, or constant integer called conversion. And we're going to make that 2.54. So convert it to centimeters. And another constant extent. Actually, let's make this a double. That's 5.4. It's going to be integer. Inches and foot. And we'll go to 12. So it says feet. We'll convert it to 12 inches, then we'll convert it to centimeters. So let's go with our function. The get length. For us. And down here, let's make some room to get ready. Alright. So first, let's go ahead and take a quick break. We'll be right back after this. Alright, so we're back. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Start with our coloring our variables. We got 3 doubles. We'll call them feet. Inches, and let's go with centimeters. There we go. And let's set our precision. Cout fixed. Show point. Precision, and we'll set it to 2. We'll cout, oops, and we'll go feet. Let's make that a colon instead of a semicolon. There we go. Equals get length. Just a function, and something on there. And cout inline. Right. Now let's go to centimeters equals inches in foot. Just in foot. Okay. And we'll times feet plus inches. Times conversion. Alright, that should do good. Let's go see out and let's go centimeters. Let's use that variable, centimeters. And we'll use a line. And we'll use our return 0 here. So let's go to our function. Should be double, actually, so it should be saying feet. Okay, do this right here. Let's copy this. And let's make this inches. Everything else will be the same. Let's get these two. Change this to inches as well. And there we go. Alright, so this is what I got so far. Check that. Check that. Alright, so now let's go to our function. And we got get length. And let's do our brackets. And let's do bool. Done equals false. And then let's go double. Number equals 0. And let's do string. str equal. Let's go. Input stream is in the fail state. Fail state. Period. So, okay. And let's do our do statement. Do. And let's go try. Auto for me. I know what goes where, what way. So far as the quiz, you see this. Let's go ahead and go right here on 48, and let's go see out and enter a non-negative number. See in, use the variable number, and see out, and line, and now we're going to throw with, use if number is less than 0, and then we'll go throw -1. Start, and then we'll go if number, somebody puts in something that is not a number, which is here, CIN number variable, it doesn't count as a number, then we will throw a string, and a string go now with our catch. Autofill this for me, int. And let's go cout. And a non-positive number is entered. Oops. Entered. And then inline. Semicolon's already there. And then this time the number equals 0. Alright, so let's take a quick break. We'll be right back after this. Alright, from here, let's go do another catch. And this time we will do catch and string message string and inline. Our message is going to be restoring the input stream. Space. That's what we'll be doing. And then let's go here. Cout. There, that makes sense. So here we go. Cout messenger string inline. Restoring measure string. And let's go down here and let's go inline here. Clear up the default. Semicolon. And we do it. Message string inline. Restoring input stream. Oh, forgot my brackets. Got to get over brackets. Let's do this. So now let's go cin clear. Use that function. Semicolon. Oh my, skipping space. Alright. And cin dot ignore. And let's go 100. More like it, and a semicolon. So we'll go here to this while. Let's go while not done. And we will return the number, whatever it is. So we need that semicolon for there. So there we have it. Alright, so let's go. I'll show you the code. You can pause it as long as you need. And then we'll try to run it. So here's 1 through 18. We're going to scroll down slowly, pause it as you need. And if it goes too fast for you, you can rewind. Right, there's our function. There's our exception. And there we go. Right, so we're going to run it. enter a non-negative number, 23, enter a non-negative number, enter inches, 6, it's 23 feet, 6 inches, so 116 centimeters, right on the nose. Alright, so let's go and calculate our grade. And while that's calculating, I'll show you the code again. So here's 1 through 18. Scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down. And hopefully we come back. There's not, there's not much room for error there. It's a pretty short one, so let's see what we got. Still calculating. And 50, so let's look at our exceptions, see what we missed here. And they've never entered. So let's try this before we mess with the code. Let's run it again. Now I'm going to run it after entering a negative number and see if that catches, that shows my exceptions. Okay, got it. So that's what we did wrong on that one. Let that go ahead and calculate. Yeah, sometimes when you run them, that didn't work either, so that's more to the code. So enter a non-negative number. I did say non-negative number. Oh, I don't have it saying that. Let's look at the code. I'll get back. Yeah. Alright, I did retype it and try it again, but I didn't see what I did wrong. It might have been spacing that I didn't catch, but I'll show you what I got now. So please look at the code and compare it with yours. If you see something, I still don't see it. But I just retyped it up, and this time it worked. And I'll show you. It shouldn't matter, but the only thing that I did catch is I didn't have a space between the catch and the INT here, and I think I put a period here, but it shouldn't matter. Maybe it does matter because I didn't spell a non-positive number is entered correctly. They didn't want a period. So, but that is the code, and that's it for exercise 14-1. So we'll be back right after this to go on to our next exercise. Alright, so next we're going to do programming in C++ part 2, programming exercise 14-2. And here we're going to redo programming exercise 8 of chapter 4 so that your program handles exceptions such as division by 0 and invalid input. Your program should print divide by 0 when 0 is entered for a denominator. So task 1, division by 0 error is shown. So let's go ahead and start with our header file. And let's get this ready. First thing we need to do, let's do our include statements for this header. I'll do IOmanip and string. No, IOstream and string, sorry. IOstream and string. We go using namespace SD. And with a class division by 0. And let's see. Yeah, let's go bracket and make this public right away. Then division by 0 function in there, and then the message here, message equals division by 0, no comma or no period there. Go to our next function, and it'll be division by 0. This time let's use string str, and then our message is going to be str equal str. Alright, so here let's go for one more function. I'll call this string what, and brackets, return the message, and then I'll leave a private. And the string message. Semicolon, and we'll do our brackets for that private class. And let's see what we got here. Class by 0. Oh, update these semicolons. Alright, so we got that done. Cleared up. Alright, so I'll show it to you real quick. Go down here, line 18. Pause if you need more time with it. It's pretty short. Alright. So let's close that out. Let's go ahead and open up our main. So it should be something there already, and it is. So we're going to link our header file and then add another. Yeah, we did add our string. So let's do that. So let's go string, and then let's add our header division by 0 .h. Got that. That's good. Enter your number char operator. Where's our bool done? We need to add that. Let's go bool. Boolean done equals false. Get on the last one. And didn't tell us to, but I think we do need to set precision on here. So let's go down. So string str first equal invalid number. Invalid input period, and then let's enter numbers. Numbers period. Semicolon. Let's go cout fixed show point set precision 2. So we should do that, and this could be our try here. Yeah, we can make this work. Let's go here. Enter. Let's go try. this out and put this here for code. This is going to be perfect. Let's get this. So we're going to see out enter operator plus addition name subtraction. So yeah, we're going to use this for sure. And our number operator number 1, operator number 2. And let's take this separate switch operator. This is good too. Do it the easy way. So I'm bringing this up into this bracket. Oops, there we go. So now, that's the cases, operator 1, number 2, switch operator. Case in there, except for multiplication. So case multiplication. Cell number 2 break. Case division. This time we're not going to do this one though. Do. Let's see what we're going to do, how we're going to do this. So I'll leave this here for now. Alright, so let's go a little more. Let's do our do. And so do bracket. I hate when I do this. No, this is going to be a try. Try. And that's going to be bracket. I hate this autofill. Alright, so then it's going to be if. That's way too far. If number 2 is equal to 0, numerator to number 2 actually. So we're going to do, it's going to do that. Look what it does. This is too much. I'm going to just do like this. Get rid of that. Here it is. Do. Over here. So we're going to do. Try. clean this up. So we're going to use brackets. I'm trying to get it so it doesn't autofill when I add the bracket. There we go. I can add those later. Alright, let's take a quick break. We'll be right back after this. Down to, no, I'm not going to need this part. Not going to need. Let's push this down for later. So here, we got to pay attention to our brackets because we're going to add them at the end. So if num dot see out, so we have to go done equals true. Although we line up with this try. There's nothing in between, so done equals true. Then we'll do our bracket here to close that. Then let's do our catch here. Catch division by 0. And then let's do div by 0 object. OBJ. Okay. So then we're going to do a bracket. Great. Now let's go cout div by 0 object divide by 0 object dot what function and inline. Okay, then let's see it not clear. Function, sorry. Then let's see it not ignore. Oh, we're doing 100. And then let's do our in. Now, cout into the divisor. Jeez. Divisor. Let's do like that. Semicolon. And let's see I have num. Oops. It's going to be num2 for that variable. And cout inline. So I've reached my limit for today. Making too many mistakes. Alright. I know that's irritating, but we'll get it right. So now let's go and do cout number 1. One variable. Let's do space num2 variable. Then equals with spaces. And we need to close brackets, but those catch ones are good. Catch is good right there. Next one is the do. So I need a bracket right here. Right here. Do a while. Now do a while here. Okay, makes sense now. While not done. these, and then we'll bring this default over to the right indent. It shouldn't be that far. Come on. Indents. Case. It should be right there under default. Let me do it. Alright, so I'll leave it there then and put you over there. Let's go like that then. Alright, see out. Looks like I'm not missing a bracket, missing a bracket. I think I gotta do one more catch here. Yep. Let's catch. And let's do string message string. String and brackets, and we'll do cout. Look at that, be like that. Okay, let's go. String and line and cout. Program terminates. And we'll use 2 asterisks this time. And line. Catch, catch, catch. So, alright, let's take a quick break. I'll be right back. Alright, so we'll mess around with that a little bit more, but I think we got everything lined up with it. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at it. I'll go slow. Please, if you need more time, just pause it. I had to go through and do some corrections. It took me a while to see it because I need to take a break. So let's see. So let's go 1 through 18, and we're going to slowly go down. Like I said, pause if you need to. Got our spacing right. Everything looks much better now. There's our new try without all that space. Divide by 0 object. What? And there's the rest of our case. Alright, so that's it for 8. Those 83 lines. Let's close that and let's try to run it. See what we get. Take you back to the code so you can, instead of do while that's calculating, hopefully header file again. And main. Try if. And hopefully we're done calculating by now. So we got, and we got green and 100%. Alright, so that's it for exercise 14-2. As you see, I was making a lot of mistakes, so I'm going to quit right there for today, and we'll pick up the rest later. But thanks for joining. Remember, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you've got your YouTube account. It's free, takes less than a minute to create, and allows you to communicate with other YouTubers and helps you navigate through YouTube to find those videos that you like. Alright, take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a wonderful day.